Hey guys, let's solve the question number 4. The question number 4 states that the Tyndall effect is observed only when the following conditions are satisfied. The diameter of the dispersed particles is much smaller than the wavelength of the light used. The diameter of the dispersed particle is not much smaller than the wavelength of the light used. The refractive indices of the dispersed phase and dispersion medium are almost similar in magnitude, or the refractive indices of the dispersed phase and dispersion medium differ greatly in magnitude. So we have to select two correct sentences. The solution is that for Tyndall effect, the refractive index of dispersion phase and dispersion medium must differ significantly, and also the size of the dispersed phase should not differ much from the wavelength used.